Ever wondered why you yawned when you were tired? Let's uncover the science behind it. Yawning actually increases the oxygen we take in and helps remove carbon dioxide from our blood, a quick way to keep your body alert. Deep inhalation during yawning cools your brain slightly, improving focus and efficiency, like giving your brain a quick refresh. That wide yawn also stretches your jaw and neck muscles, boosting blood flow to the brain, a natural way to wake it up. And here's the fun part, yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn activates mirror neurons in your brain, syncing your alertness with others. Cool, right? Follow our X-Core Nexus for more science behind your daily life, short, smart, and straight to the point.